Wow, that's an interesting box. Greetings and welcome back to Smartwatch Ticks. We're a YouTube channel on the web at smartwatchticks.com. And yeah, we do have a very nice presentation box, says smartwatch, and inside is a brand new watch from Sinbono. Yeah, they've been pumping them out recently. This is the X28, I believe it is. And it's a nice thin watch with lots. Wow, look at the back on that. Oh, I wish that was on the front. That looks like a Galaxy Gear. Wouldn't that be cool, right? What kind of is? Oh, all right. I'll tell you where you can get it. I know you want it already, don't you? Sinbono has an official store over on AliExpress, and you can pick it up right now, right there, using the link in our show notes for about $46. Hopefully have a coupon that you can apply and bring it down a bit from there. And in addition to their company store, they also provide it to Banggood, and Banggood has it available as well. It's the Sinbono X28. Again, check the show notes. We'll have a buying link for you. And as I've started to mention in these videos, I've got a very special actual page, Smartwatch Ticks and Banggood together, at a link bit.ly/ all caps SWTB for Banggood. And that'll take you to this page, which has a whole bunch of watches that we've reviewed, and the prices are constantly changing, and they always are updating them with the best coupons. So head over there to Smartwatch Ticks Picks and look for this one, because that's where it's going to be. It is, again, a 360 by 360, which is great resolution on a HD big screen X28 smartwatch, up to IP68 waterproofness now. They've been pumping up all of the specs. Really looking good overall. It's what you got? You got all the standard stuff, your step count, fitness tracker, sleep tracker. You got world time, interesting, and all these different languages are supported. We'll get in to see the basic functions here shortly. 180 to 220 milliamp hour battery, 1.32 inches overall, and in terms of this waterproof capability, I understand it's 3 ATM, which means up to 30 feet underwater, not just IP68. So they wanted me to point that out for you. Let's look deeper in the box, see what else we've got. We have, it looks like, a green band that you can swap out on this one. So you have variety, and it's got contours on the bottom, so a totally different look. Oh, interesting. Yeah, all right, it's the same band. I just had it upside down because the buckle looks this way. So you have it in black, you have it in green. Inside the box, whoa, we have two more. Oh my goodness, okay. You can make your watch orange if you want to. You can make it a beige color. Lots of different appearances for the same basic watch. You get the 2-pin connector that's magnetically coupled, pretty much standard. 50-50, and I swear almost 100% of the time I get it backwards. Don't take me to Vegas with you. No, it's not strong enough to hold this one, but it's a good coupling. It'll work for charging the watch. And the instruction manual, which starts out with the big GloryFit app QR code, which you can scan or use the link in the show notes, or just go and get GloryFit from the Google Play Store. I recommend you do it that way rather than using the QR code, because it's a lot safer if you get all of your apps through the Google Play Store. They've been through an extra layer of check that way. Here's some basic operations. We always throw the manual up on the screen in case you lose yours. You can come back and check anything you may have missed out on. Shows you some screens that you'll be seeing on the watch. Introduction to the watch functions and so forth. It doesn't have Bluetooth calling per se, but it does have call rejection. So you'll see the number calling and you can hang up remotely if you want to. Here's an intro to the different watch functions themselves, and that's it for the English half. The rest is Chinese. Okay, I'm going to charge it up and put it on, and we'll take a look at it. Quick push on the on-off button. It's actually labeled that way. We'll give it a moment to Wow, beautiful. Whoa, rich colors on this one. Okay, it's up, on, off. What have we got? Adjust, which I guess is going to take us, into all of our outdoor activities, indoor activities, your workout type of stuff. And over here we've got, it says exercise and health, smartwatch, waterproof. You got the green diodes on the back, and like I said, it's a very fancy design. It looks like it can be 3-atmosphere waterproof, definitely. Very well constructed. So that means you could swim with it, guys. It's waterproof for that. Swipe down, you've got a flashlight mode that can give you a bright light outdoors, so do not disturb. Here's our overall brightness. Wow, let's take it all the way up with that flashlight. Yeah, you can't really tell because the camera is going to throttle it down. But for doing our review, I'll go down to the second one. Here it is on the first level right there. Okay, you've got find your phone, and then overall settings where you have info about the watch for looking it up when you're tethering it. Your brightness again, reset and off, is right here in the settings, and that's it for there. Swipe up. And you got your notifications pushed from the GloryFit app. We've already reviewed GloryFit many times, so I'm just going to mention it today. One of the drawbacks of the GloryFit app that we've seen so far, it definitely needs an update, is the fact that although the watch can do heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen, the app doesn't support showing blood oxygen, but it will transfer over heart rate and blood pressure. And you can initiate a blood pressure reading remotely from the app, but not heart rate. Heart rate you set up for continuous heart rate, and you'll see a chart develop here on the app itself. Okay, training we already looked at, which is right here with that button pressed, and status is your step count information, and that's all it shows. And that covers all of those things. Then you get back to last night's sleep time. Basically your deep and your light sleep and your total will be reflected here. Weather is going to be in your area in Fahrenheit or centigrade, with a lot of information provided actually. Nothing more for forecasts, but they're down across the bottom. Very nice weather display on this one. You've got remote music player, your messages, of course, we saw that, a stopwatch that we can start. When we leave it, you can't leave it. Yeah, it's locked. Okay, so it won't run in the background. You'll have to leave it that way. You can stop it and leave it. Then you got a countdown timer built into it as well. Basic kind of stuff. Find your phone, the QR code, the flashlight we saw, and your dials, your different dials, which you can press and hold to get into, or you can just cycle through them like this. Now, that's a pretty nice one. They're really well designed. They've three-dimensional kind of effect to them. Look at that. Yeah. And the token black and white one, if you like, for a bright flashlight kind of effect. Here you got your power level, your weather, all kinds of things are showing on this one. Which one you want? That one? That one. All right, let's put on that one so I can show it to you on. The band, as you saw when we unboxed it, there's several different colors, and it's got this groove kind of look to it. Wow, they actually are part of the process of holding the band in place. Interesting. Yeah, this is not going to come off, folks. It sits on you right there. Simulated buttons just for balance, I guess, on the sides. But there it is. It's a nice, attractive watch. Got the twist your wrist to see the time. And the GloryFit app, like I said, is the app that it tethers to. So it's the X28, and it's a new Symbono watch, and its stake to claim is it's 3-atmosphere waterproofing. It's really good for waterproof. It's much higher resolution, 360 by 360 screen, and yeah, good size screen as well. You can get it from the Symbono official store, or you can pick it up from Banggood. And I recommend you head over to this link here and check our discount page to see what the current discount coupon is on this one, no matter when you're watching the video. Usually our discounts are only good for two weeks to a month after publication, but sometimes they come back. So check the whole page. There's all kinds of listings there. And that will do it for the X28, yeah, smartwatch from Symbono. Thanks for watching, gang. We'll see you again soon.